Welcome to Personal Finance Power, where we unlock the strategies of the world's wealthiest. Want to manage your money like the top 1%? It starts with thinking differently. In this video, we'll dive into the mindset shifts, habits, and money rules that millionaires and high earners live by. Before we get into it, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more insights on building serious wealth. 1. They prioritize ownership over labor. Top 1% earners don't just work for money, they make money work for them. Instead of focusing on salary alone, they build assets, businesses, stocks, real estate. They understand that ownership creates passive income and long-term wealth. While most people trade time for money, the wealthy trade capital for freedom. They know the real path to wealth is equity, not employment. 2. They track and optimize every dollar. Millionaires are meticulous with their money. They know where every dollar goes and what return it brings. Budgeting isn't a restriction, it's a strategy. They track income, expenses, taxes, and investments with clarity. They use financial dashboards, advisors, or tools like Mint, and you need a budget. Knowing their financial position at all times gives them control. 3. They invest early, often, and wisely. The wealthy treat investing as non-negotiable. It's not something they get to later, it's baked into their routine. They put money in the stock market, real estate, private equity, and more. They start early and invest consistently, letting compound interest do the heavy lifting. Rather than chasing trends or meme stocks, they focus on long-term performance and diversification. 4. They avoid consumer debt like a disease. The top 1% avoid high-interest debt because they understand its long-term cost. They never finance liabilities like cars, clothes, or gadgets unless it brings a return. While others rack up credit cards, they use debt strategically to buy assets. Good debt, like real estate or business loans, can build wealth. But bad debt is a trap. They live below their means, even when they could afford extravagance. 5. They treat time as their most valuable currency. Wealthy people understand that time, not money, is their most limited resource. They outsource low-value tasks to free up their time for high-impact decisions. They hire teams, automate systems, and delegate. They don't waste hours saving a few bucks, they invest hours to make thousands. Time management is money management. Every decision is measured in opportunity cost. 6. They build multiple streams of income. One income stream is never enough for the top 1%. They create multiple: business revenue, rental income, dividends, royalties, and side ventures. This reduces risk and increases financial security. If one stream dries up, others keep flowing. They're always looking for scalable income, something that grows without much effort. 7. They focus on long-term vision, not instant gratification. Top earners are masters of delayed gratification. While others spend for comfort today, they invest for freedom tomorrow. They skip impulse purchases, avoid lifestyle creep, and think in decades. Whether it's holding onto stocks or reinvesting business profits, they play the long game. This mindset separates them from the 99% who live paycheck to paycheck. 8. They learn constantly and pay for knowledge. The wealthy don't stop learning after school. They invest heavily in courses, mentors, masterminds, books, and events. They know that one idea, insight, or connection can lead to exponential growth. Instead of saying, "I can't afford that," they ask, "How can I learn it and apply it?" Knowledge pays the best dividends, and they treat education as an investment, not a cost. 9. They think in percentages, not just dollars. While average earners think in fixed amounts, the wealthy think in percentages. How much return of investment does an investment bring? What's the tax rate on a deal? Is this purchase 5% or 50% of my income? This thinking helps them scale wisely and protect capital. They don't just ask, "Can I afford this?" They ask, "What percent of my net worth am I risking?" 10. They surround themselves with other high achievers. You are the average of the people you spend the most time with, and the wealthy know this well. They build networks full of other ambitious, strategic, and financially savvy individuals. Ideas, opportunities, and habits are contagious in these circles. They avoid people who drain their energy or encourage poor spending. The top 1% don't just earn more, they think, plan, and spend differently. Which mindset shift are you adopting today? Let us know in the comments. And if this video helped reframe how you approach your money, don't forget to like and subscribe for more elite-level strategies to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. Start thinking like the rich, your future depends on it.